Good morning and welcome to the Ellon Academy Virtual Assembly for S1, 2 and 3 on Thursday the 10th of December. So as you will be aware, we've had 2 positive cases of coronavirus in the past 2 weeks at Ellon Academy. It's really concerning for the families involved, and we really send our best wishes to those families that have had to go through this situation. It's never more important that we follow the rules and regulations and mitigations that are in place for the safety of everyone. It's very clear that this virus is virulent and it's very, very contagious. So we can't be complacent at all in anything that we do. As you're aware, we have separate entrances for junior and senior pupils, and when you arrive at school, you must sanitize your hands. You'll be met, as you know, every day by senior leaders at the doors, and the janitorial team are taking their time also to be there to encourage you to use the sanitizing stations and also to pick up a face covering if you've forgotten yours. You must wear your face coverings around the school as you move about, before classes, at break, at lunchtime and at the end of the school day. Because we're in Tier 3, you don't have to wear face coverings during your classes. And if we do move into Tier 3, senior pupils will be expected to wear face coverings in classes. But so far, we're still in Tier 2. We also encourage you to wash your hands thoroughly with soap provided by the school, and make sure you dry your hands too with the paper towels that you can use in the toilets. You also must do your very best to keep socially distant from others. There is no necessity for young people to be socially distanced from each other, but as we can see from the virus and the spread of the virus, that it's highly, highly contagious, and the number of close contacts of our positive cases is rising. So we must be very, very aware when we're with our friends and when we're around the school. You must stay 2 meters apart from your teachers as well, and that's hugely important as they are trying to stay 2 meters apart from you and wearing their face coverings when they are with you for an extended period of time. So, on a lighter note, it's dress down day on Friday, and if you wish, you can come to school wearing a Christmas jumper if you have one. It's not a necessity. You can come just dressed down in casual clothes that are appropriate for wearing at school. We're asking this year, rather than to collect money for Save the Children, we are asking you to bring a non-perishable item for the Ellon Community Food Bank. And non-perishable means something that won't go off. So something in a tin, a bottle of squash, that kind of thing, pasta, rice, something that won't go off and will keep for a while. The collections will be at the pupil and reception doors as you arrive on Friday morning, and there'll be big crates for you to deposit your donation, and they'll be left over the weekend to quarantine and be ready for distribution to the Ellon Food Bank from the beginning of next week. We really appreciate your support in this, and we feel quite strongly that we are supporting a local organisation to help local people in the Ellon community. So I hope that everybody will participate and bring something with them. The last day of term this session is Friday the 18th of December. It's a normal school day, but you can come as you please on that day again, dressed down in casual clothes appropriate for school, but you can also dress up if you wish. This is the day that we normally have our fancy dress competition, and we've organised it in a socially distanced way in the social area, and it'll take part during period 1. So more information will come out about the nitty-gritty details of that, but it's nice to see pupils making an effort and coming in with their fancy dress on. The 6th year pupils particularly enjoy this day. It's one of the highlights of their calendar, and will take lots of photographs as well. So have a good working week and stay safe. That's the most important message of today. Thank you.